Hey guys, it's R.V.C here and I'm back again with another video. First, I would like to thank KBEar for providing this review unit. These are the KBEar Lark, one of their many earphones they offer. Before I proceed with the unboxing, these headphones are currently on sale. Just check the link in the description below where you can get them. Now let's look around the package before we begin unboxing. At the front of the package, we have some driver information about the earphones, like dynamic driver and balanced armature, the picture of the earphones, and the branding. At the back of the package, we can see the specifications about the earphones and some contact information. By the way, this unit doesn't contain a microphone, but you can also get it with a mic if you need it. One of the sides we have the KBEar branding, while the other side we have the different color options that are available. Let's now proceed with the unboxing and see what contents are included. First, we can see the KBEar logo again. From the unboxing presentation, everything is well packed. Let's start with the boxed label accessory. We get two sets with 3 pairs of additional ear gels, small, medium and large. This is amazing. We have a braided cable with a 3.5mm jack on one side, and that's about it. Another box labeled case. This contains a carrying case and it also has the KBEar logo. The case doesn't feel cheap at all. To be honest, I love the overall presentation of the packaging. Finally, we have the earbuds, and they feel premium built, and they are a bit on a heavy side. I love the idea of the earphones being transparent. They just seem different and unique. Let's assemble the earphones and jump into the sound quality. After assembling it, it should look like this. The hook goes round and behind the ear. Okay, so how is the sound quality? The overall sound quality is great, but not the best. It offers deep bass and it does justice to mid, highs and lows. They do almost everything right and they offer more than one would assume at such a low price point. Overall, the earphone sound quality is amazing, they isolate well and they have a build that feels exactly right for the price. And a carrying pouch is included. I will definitely recommend it to anyone. Well, for now, that's basically it. Thanks for watching, and if you have any questions, just drop it in the comment box below. If you liked this video, please give it a thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, please do so. Share this video, and I guess I'll have to see you in the next one. Bye.